Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very decorative treat out of a kiwi. Since we're close to the holidays, I thought this would be a good thing to show you that you can add on a fruit tray or a salad when you're feeding some guests over the holidays. It would be a very beautiful little treat to add to your dish. Now the first thing you want to do is wash your kiwi really well, because when you get done with this, the peel is going to be part of it. And the peel is edible. I know it's not very exciting to eat the peel because it's fuzzy. So you want to wash it and rinse off and rub off as much of that fuzziness as you possibly can. Then you want to get a sharp paring knife. First thing we're going to do is cut each end off, because that would not be very appealing to eat. So I'm just going to poke it with the paring knife and cut around the end carefully and just remove that end. There we go. Toss that out. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other side. There we go. And this is actually a golden kiwi. Now you want to use your paring knife, and what you're going to do is make a cut in it all the way through to the other side. And you're going to go all the way around in the same angle. You want to cut it all the way through. And you want to cut it at a little bit of an angle, not straight across, but at an angle. And so we're just going to do that all the way across. And keep turning it. And just, we're making parallel cuts here for now. All the way across, all the way through. And I can see where I just started to come through there. So I want to go ahead and recut on these initial slices so that we know it's cut cleanly all the way through. Once you know that you've addressed them all, we're going to turn the knife in the opposite direction at the other angle and make little V-shape cuts there, where we connect the dots, so to speak, from end to end on the original slits. Just cut from one end to one end, all the way through, just one little slit at a time. What we're doing is making a little kiwi flower. If you have to, you can turn the knife in the opposite direction like I just did to make sure you get your cuts all the way through from end to end on those lines. Once you think you've got it through, you can just break it apart, and you've got this beautiful little flower that would just be lovely on a fruit salad or a green salad or on the side of a dessert next to something else that you have to offer. But isn't that pretty? Just like that. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.